Do these 3 things to help you improve your altcoin selection and also protect yourself from making any stupid mistakes. So let's get to the video. So what's happening, guys? It's Dan Chung here, aka Champ, back with another video, and these are the 3 things I like to do in terms of looking for confluences and finding out more about altcoins. It's actually incredibly simple, but some of you guys may know or may not know, but you don't know what you don't know. So here's a video to learn and earn and share these steps with you. So first and foremost, what I like to do is come onto CoinGecko, it's as simple as that, and actually search for the coin. Now in this instance, we're going to use BNB, and the reason why I'm using BNB was someone actually asked me recently to do a TA on this, so I have done that, and here are the steps that I did in order to do that. So first, ask Dan what it is. I first click onto BNB and we overall look. Now, number 1, I can see it's in the top 10. It's one of the blue chips in terms of the cryptocurrency market. It's got a strong market cap. It's at 32 billion at the moment. It ranking 4th, meaning that there's the liquidity there. Liquidity meaning that there's volume, there's movement, and the markets can move. And last but not least, there is a secure backing behind it. Now, yes, they've got some sort of, SEC and lawsuits and all these kind of things happening, but that's for a little bit later. First, we've identified it. It's in the top 10. We've using CoinGecko. We can see where is it there? Is it trusted? Yes or no? We can find out the trading volume, 7-day highs and lows. And then we can also see what exchanges it's on, the trust score overall as well. So the trust score helps us understand that yes, these exchanges are there, but at least it's listed on a lot of trusted exchanges. For example, if you find an alt and there's a lot of red there, then you know that it's not something you probably want to trade, or it's very high risk if you do want to jump into it. From there as well, there are more news, there is more guides, and you can find out all the information there. So I find that this is very helpful just to see an overview on that specific altcoin. So that's the first step. Second step is, believe it or not, this is incredibly simple. We'll just come onto Google and write BNB news, and writing that will give you all the latest news outlets, the breaking news, and all the information. So Binance to airdrop 3 million to BNB users affected by the Morocco earthquake. So you can see there they're doing charity and helping, so I hope things in Morocco recover quickly, and my thoughts are to them. We also know that there's SEC trailing at the moment, so you can see on the 5th of June 2023 the SEC files 13 charges against Binance. So that is available for you to kind of go through and see on the SEC government website. You can go through this, read this, and this is part of your do your own research. So this is the second bit, literally just coming onto Google, writing down the information, looking at it, reading it, and collating all the fundamentals and macros to understand what is going on. Is there an opportunity for this? Will this drive the price down and I can buy it at a discount? Is this going to be bullish in the later? Is there some sort of news right now that could push this coin or push this asset that hasn't actually happened yet? And we call that a lagging effect, right? So, say there's a coin, there's really bullish news, but the bullish movement hasn't happened yet. That means we can anticipate that is going to come. A prime example, XRP. XRP won the lawsuit. Imagine if you knew they won the lawsuit beforehand. Now, I'm not saying you would, because that's insider information, but I'm just giving you an example of if you can collate all this data, make your own judgment, make your own thesis, this way you'll become a better successful trader from your own terms, and the skill will be yours forever. So guys, just want to quickly interrupt. If you do want to trade your altcoins, don't forget to check out the link in the description below, where there is a Bybit promotion of up to $40,000. That's right, $40,000 worth of bonuses to support you on your trading journey, and $30 airdrop if you've never traded with them before. So link in the description, and let's get back to the video. Okay, and the third and final step is simply coming onto the charts. So now that we know it's something that we want to look into, so we've decided that from the first step, is this even something I should entertain? Okay, great. I go on to this next step, then go on to Google and then just look about news. It's incredibly simple. And then last but not least, I'll come onto the charts and do an overall TA. Now, for example, we've got the SEC lawsuit. There's 13 charges. That was in June. We've had a drop. Bitcoin is also dropping. We've now broken this support at 220. The question is, could this break lower? And there is so much space and so much room for the Binance coin or BNB to drop to $80. Now, I'm not saying it's going to do that, but there is a high probability. There is a setup there, and therefore this could be an idea. Now, I could play this 2 ways. Number 1, I could sell the coin on the derivative spot on trading, or number 2, I could put a pending buy on $80 because I see this as a fair value discount and buy BNB at a discount. So no matter what I see below $80, I see it as a discount, and I will willing to accumulate BNB. So if it does recover, or wherever the time is in the future, it does recover to like $700, $600, $500, I've made a significant return of investment. Now, this is how I approach it. These are lessons I have. These are not advices, but it's just to learn and learn for you to go and do your own research and to level up. So guys, how did you find that video? Do you like these learn and earn series? I love making them because it's great value for you guys. And if you did, remember to like, share, subscribe, drop a comment below on any questions you have so I can answer them, make a video on them, and remember to follow me on socials as well to stay up to date. See you in the next video. Champ out. Peace.